Jello Beats, holla at me.
I don't like the look of it.
Okay, I'm puffing on the inner rock, chilling with my besties. Haters keep competing, but I feel they getting restless. Bitches acting like instructors, always trying to test us. Dropping all these niggas like the bass forever and this. Strangers quick to judge me, seeming hard to understand. Niggas keep on bitching, can't do what I can. Ain't trying to talk big, bitch, I know where I stand. Wheezy up above and raw underneath my hand. Sip a little syrup, sorry, gotta switch to slower mode. Keep my niggas with me, cause I never like to smoke alone. Don't call me Mr. Estolo, no disrespect to Cuddy Kid. Attacking with a stupid flow. Common set to smoking syrup, so much weed, I'm supplying like a doctor. Best I ever had, call me Drizzy Drake Rogers. If these niggas going hard, I go a lot harder. Eating all these rappers like my name Dwayne Carter. Look at this and look at that, got my Willy Wonka hat. Call your Oompa Loompa, cause from me you get a shrink attack. Everlasting got the fur and you just be a sugar tap. Sorry Charlie, I one and only, gotta take the factory back. Sky high floating and I can't come down. Attention on your telly rod coming to your town. And if you ain't heard before, then I'm sure you listen now. Cause the city screaming Mayday, cause they know what's going down. Spitting on the mic, it be the O between the D-A. DJ got my back, call him Z-I-double-L-A. Doing what we do, we light it up and then we fly away. Reveal another world like we've been cruising up in outer space. Raw till I fall, and bitch I got metal legs. Niggas trying to stop me, always end up with a mental case. Step up to the mic and now this nigga got a worried face. Murdered all the sluggish cause the fast already ran away. What do you get if you keep the huffing puffing going? All time constant token, choking, not stop smoking, killing all your brain cells and the laziness development. Fuck it, light it up even though I don't like the look of it.